Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to XPSTECH. I'm Vineet, and this is a quick video to update you guys on a new development that can probably lead to someday running the latest Adobe's Creative Suite apps on your favorite Linux distro. Adobe's Creative Suite include popular apps like Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and many others. I personally use After Effects and Premiere Pro for creating my videos, and since these apps are currently not supported on Linux platform, I have no choice but to use a different operating system to use these apps. In the past, I have tried various things and tweaks to get my favorite Adobe apps run on any Linux distro, but it is currently impossible to get the latest version of these apps running on Linux. The most that you can do is to run an older and really outdated version of these apps using the Wine software, and even after installing it, the app may open, but it will not be as stable as running on supported platforms, and certainly not reliable enough to do any kind of commercial project. But if you're like me and want these apps available for your favorite Linux distro, there's a post on Adobe's user voice website that was created on 12th December, which is to appeal Adobe to make their Creative Suite available for Linux. As of making of this video, there are around 6,500 plus votes, and Adobe has said that if they get high number of votes on this, they will really give a serious thought on this issue. And also on their customer care account on Twitter, Adobe has posted this message and asked to upvote this post. I know it's not something that can be done overnight, and there's a long way to go before we get any close to making this a reality, but it's a start that may prove to be something really big for Linux world one day. And the fact that Adobe is now considering this option is a huge positive in my opinion. So to all my subscribers and viewers of this video, I would really appreciate if you can vote on this post so that we can get huge number of votes and compel Adobe to provide Linux support for their popular apps. You can find the link of this post in the description below. Alright, so that was all. Thank you for voting, and stay tuned for more Linux related news and videos on XPSTECH. I thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.